So today we got the boy here early. He doesn't know why he's here, but we're gonna do something. Anyways, so you like Uncle Roger so much?
Yeah, that guy's cool.
Yeah, he's cool, right?
It's cool.
Okay, so right now in front of you have 3 eggs, cold rice, soy sauce, and a chili. I have no more green peppers. Where's the garlic?
Yeah, the garlic.
There you go. Okay, cook.
I'll leave it to the professionals.
Nope. You don't know where to start, do you?
So we'll put this. I think
I'm really not helping him today. Yeah. So if you have cooked your own fried rice, what you gonna do?
Can I get any tips?
No.
You could just give me some hint. You know, like what do we put first? Like the garlic? Or
Turn on the fire.
Yeah, okay, you know, fire. You need to have a wok. You know, you need to have a wok in order to be in the successful egg fried rice cooker group.
Yeah, the wok's behind you.
Oh my god.
I mean, okay, I'm just like a newbie about this whole thing, so I'm gonna go with the pan because I just know how to use the pan. Okay, sure. And walk eat more. Yep, keep talking. Yeah, yep. Skillful
Preparation before, you know, just go into.
Yeah, it's gonna be dinner time, so hurry up.
Okay.
Oh? Maybe you should say something to the it's not really you just trying to do something. Let me get that. Okay. Oh my god. Okay.
I have no idea what I'm doing right now.
Yeah. Fried rice with egg, come on.
What?
Fried rice with egg.
Fried rice of egg.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Do we gotta cook the fried rice with the oil or like we gonna cook it with a clean pan?
I know.
Help me out here, you know?
Nope.
My partners.
I'll give it a try. How do you think fried rice is made?
People with professional, they learn how to cook fried rice from their parents. Still, somebody teach them.
He's more concerned about talking than watching his food.
What's he gonna do now? I think so. No.
Okay.
I guess. No. Please, let me have this.
So yeah, in order to help me doing this dish, I think I'm gonna have to invite like a very professional cooker, which is Mr. Toby. Come on, Mr. Toby, help me, please.
No.
Ha.
First try. You need that thing. Is it this thing or the other thing? Which one? You need this one? This one?
Oh.
My mom did that. Like she didn't do it with the oil though. It's just like this, and then she put the eggs in. And how long are we gonna put it? Like a few minutes?
I don't know.
Okay. It's a challenge, isn't it? No, it's a challenge because you learn it from the, you know, like people seeing different. Oh my god, it's burned. Do it like separate, you know? Just more separate, guys. More separate. No. I feel like this one and one. I think it's one and one. Hopefully.
So you can tell that this guy's never cooked a day in his life, right?
No, I cook. I know how to cook rice.
You probably know how to boil water. Or
I know how to
instant noodles
cook
or something.
Noodles, rice, and
And
some
that's it.
stuff.
So
I think this is the part where I do that. Kitchen my whole life, so I don't know how to do this. You see that? It's for professionals.
proud of yourself.
Professionals. That's a professional thing. Do we need two? You know? Do we need one more? Do you think I should add one more? I don't. It doesn't look so good, you know? Yeah. I think it needs one more. God. Oh no. Be patient, guys. I'm gonna get this right. Well, maybe I'm just a quick learner, which I have been seeing professional that they're cooking, so it might as well be my time for me to, yeah, show myself. What? Why does it look so wet? Why? Do I need to put like waters in? Oh, no, like dryer, the dryer, you know, to... Right, so.
Don't waste my soy sauce. As in, don't pour too much, because I'm sure you're gonna have some problems with that.
Yeah, I think that's it. I hope that's it. I hope. Guys, if you guys see me, you know, like having the rice off the pan for some reason, I saw it in the restaurant. You know, the cook, they did it all the time. It's alright. So this is bad tossing. Oh my god, it does look like it's having problems. Oh no. What? Oh my god, it's going on. I hope it is. I hope I'm doing right. I hope. Oh my god. Oh my god, please. As in the Vietnamese. Oh my god, okay. As in the Vietnamese way, don't throw bricks at me. Because I'm just a newbie. So please.
You got it on the wall, right?
Yep, I got it on the walls. They're not helping.
I didn't say anything.
Do you have anything up?
This is the longest I've ever seen anyone do egg fried rice.
Okay. Now this some more. What do they call that? Like perspective, you know, perspective.
Oh.
Yeah. What is this? Okay, just one more. I think it's enough. Just wait. Okay.
And you know, like usually I wanna eat like a separate chili. I don't know, like if it's good. Well, anyway, so here you go. From the newbies to the professionals. That's what's it called? And this is a new recipe. Wait, you wanna try? No. Good try. Kimchi. Wait. Wait. Come on, I'm ready. Maybe the garlic wasn't supposed to be in there, you know? I don't know. Well, can't live forever.
It's tasteless, isn't it?
Tasteless.
Yeah.